Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for all things AI and innovation. We appreciate the time and support you give for our content, and we're always excited to share more. Today, we're delving deeper into the ever-evolving, mysterious, and exciting universe of artificial intelligence. As we journey through the digital labyrinth of this cutting-edge field, we'll be focusing specifically on 10 intriguing tools. These tools are not just any ordinary tools. They are expertly designed with the intention to supercharge your productivity, to streamline your work processes, and to enhance the efficiency of your daily tasks. We promise that these tools will leave you feeling inspired, invigorated, and maybe even a little bit mind-blown. We've done research, we've crunched the numbers, now it's your turn to sit back, relax, and indulge in the insights we're about to share. So without further ado, let's dive into our countdown. Starting strong at number 10, we have Grammarly, an AI-powered technological marvel that enhances your writing experience like no other. It is your personal proofreader, a vigilant sentinel guarding the fortress of your linguistic prowess. It diligently helps you spot and rectify not only grammatical errors, but also those pesky typos that somehow always manage to slip unnoticed. With Grammarly at your disposal, the days of sending out work riddled with embarrassing typos and glaring grammatical errors are a thing of the past. No longer will you have to spend countless hours poring over your work, trying to spot the elusive errors hiding between the lines. Grammarly does it all for you, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, creating content that captivates your audience. Moving forward to the 9th position, we have the revolutionary aitechnology. This tool is more than just a transcription service. It is a lifeline for those who find the task of transcribing conversations, meetings, or interviews a daunting one. Aitechnology is not just another tool, it's an innovative solution that listens to your audio files, comprehends what is being said, and then transcribes it in real time. Imagine having a personal assistant who never misses a word, who catches every subtle nuance of a conversation and lays it out in written form for you. It's like having a stenographer in your pocket, ready to jump into action at a moment's notice. In the 8th spot, we find Replica. This is not just a software, this is a friend who is always there for you, 24/7, whenever you need someone to talk to. Replica, an AI companion, is designed with one purpose in mind: to listen, learn, and grow with you. It's like having a confidant, a fellow traveler on your journey through life who's always there, offering a listening ear, a comforting presence when you need it the most. Replica is more than just an AI tool. It is a friend who understands you, supports you, and helps you navigate the often tumultuous waters of life. It is your very own emotional support, your digital companion, always ready to lend an ear, to listen judgment, to provide comfort when you need it the most. At number 7, we introduce Runway, a startup specializing in generative AI tools for multimedia content creators, recently secured a $141 million extension to its Series C funding round from tech giants like Google, NVIDIA, and Salesforce. Founded in 2018 by NYU Art School alumni Chris Valenzuela, Alejandro Matamala, and Anastasis Germanidis, Runway began as a suite of AI-powered tools for filmmakers and photographers. Moving on to number 6, we have the remarkable Jenny. Researching for a project or a presentation? GenAI can drastically cut down your research time. It's an AI tool that locates and organizes the most relevant content for your projects, ensuring you can focus on delivering a well-informed presentation. At number 5, we present Beautiful.ai. Crafting visually appealing slide decks can be daunting, but not with Beautiful.ai. This AI-powered tool simplifies the presentation creation process, helping you communicate your ideas more effectively and elegantly. These tools are not just about making tasks easier, they're about transforming the way you work, learn, and communicate. They embody the immense potential of AI to revolutionize our daily lives. Stay tuned, because coming up next, the top 4 AI tools in our list. We are now at the exciting part of our countdown. With the advancement of technology, we have seen the emergence of various tools that have been designed to simplify our lives. Some of these innovative tools include applications that utilize artificial intelligence, AI, to enhance their functionality and relevance to the users. The AI tools in our countdown have been selected based on their impact, usefulness, uniqueness, and overall potential to transform our everyday lives. Sitting proudly at number 4, we have a truly groundbreaking AI tool that is causing a seismic shift in the way we manage our time. It's called Mem. This AI note-taking app auto-organizes and tags your notes, making information retrieval a breeze. Mem helps you keep your thoughts and ideas well organized, allowing you to focus more on your work and less on searching through old notes. Up next, sliding into our top 3, Descript. Video creators rejoice. Descript uses AI to transcribe your videos into text scripts, which can drastically simplify the editing process. It's an effective tool for streamlining your content creation process and improving efficiency. Our runner-up, sitting comfortably at 2. A masterpiece from OpenAI DALL-E 2 generates stunning images based on your text prompts. This tool can help creative professionals produce high-quality visual content, making their creative process more fluid and intuitive. And finally, at the pinnacle of our list, the #1 AI tool that has grabbed our attention for its incredible multitude of productivity-enhancing features is ChatGPT. OpenAI's GPT-3 and GPT-4 models power this versatile AI chatbot. Whether you need assistance with writing, brainstorming, or learning, ChatGPT can serve as an instrumental digital partner. It offers advanced reasoning and logic capabilities that can revolutionize how you approach different tasks. These final 4 AI tools are not just improving the way we work, they are revolutionizing it. They are making our tasks easier, our days more productive, and our lives more convenient. They are empowering us to achieve more, to do more, and to be more efficient. This is the power of artificial intelligence, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. There you have it, the top 10 AI tools that can make your life easier and more productive. Remember, these tools are game changers for efficiency. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update in the exciting domain of AI. Until next time, stay innovative and productive.